At Haley Comfort Systems, we have a 3-step process. Starting with a project manager visiting your home and assessing your current heating and cooling system, and identifying any comfort issues that you may have currently. Our project managers are trained to evaluate the entire home as a whole rather than only the equipment in the utility room. This allows us to customize the best package for you, which also comes with a no-risk, 100% satisfaction guarantee. A huge part of our award-winning team is the behind the scenes with our warehouse crew and our sheet metal shop. They fabricate all new fittings based on the new system and the design of the home to ensure correct airflow and efficiency. You will be greeted with a smiling face and a crew who takes pride in working in your house. They will make sure to properly protect your home and clean up after themselves when they are finished. Haley Comfort Systems installers are factory trained to industry standards. When it comes time to install the new equipment, all of our insured and licensed installers will make sure your HVAC equipment is installed to code. The installation is handled with precision, even with things as small as finishing tape. We make sure they have all the proper tools and gauges to get the job done right the first time. A brand new heating and cooling system can lose efficiency if it is not properly tuned and set up correctly. This is why it is crucial to have proper tools and training. The installers know and understand how to operate the equipment and will help you learn the everyday operation of your thermostat. They will walk you through all of the new equipment and a checklist to ensure accuracy and your satisfaction. Your project manager will make a return visit after all inspections and paperwork have been processed. They will answer any questions you may have and review any available rebates to help submit the paperwork. It is our goal to make the purchase of a new heating and cooling system the best buying experience. We at Haley Comfort Systems thank you for choosing to be a part of our family.